reset that YouTube live because it's getting sneaky. What strikes are you watching? Oh, dude. Let's talk about the pullback first on crowd, okay? Before we talk about strikes. But let's look for contracts. Crowd. I'm gonna pull this baby up. Let's look for contract. I'm kind of bummed we missed that, man. It's all right. We're getting a little banger. Let's hope we get an SPX move today. That would be fun, right? What do you guys see? This is my current right now. If you guys see that. Okay, let's find some good stuff. Crowd, okay. Initial move. I'm going to fib this level right here, this last impulse that it dropped down. So we're going to hit that resistance because this is where it dropped off 2 days ago. No, last week on Friday. So we're going to draw that those levels right here. Let's make it bigger so you guys can actually see what the hell I'm looking at. I'll draw white lines as well. White. Can you guys see that? Probably. Oh, oh shit, I got to move my Weeble so you can see what I'm doing. Sorry. There. I just drew fibs on this right now. So we have a pullback. We can pull back for 475. Here's Everson. 465 is a pullback level. Oh, we're taking path and zeta. I'll leave that here. Path. Path looks good. CRISPR looks good. ZETA. That's a 4-hour flag. I don't know, but I'm taking Titan's move right here. Crowd is way too off my path right now. I'm going to set an alert for the 7-minute. Add alert at 465 crossing for crowd, okay? So we get a pullback for 465. We can join that. We can take that. I'm going to put path. Path is doing a pullback right now. Actually, I don't mind taking... Why is my Weeble broken? Jesus Christ. What did Titan take? 18 calls for February. So February 20th. 18 calls in the money. Let's do a zoom out on this guy. What up, Cupcake? How are you? Okay, path looks good as well. Hey, Cupcake, did you take any paper trades that went nutty yesterday? You know that those SPX you took went nutty. How are you and Jollibee? Good morning, good morning. Thanks for stopping by. I don't know why my camera looks so red on the screen. It's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take a starter on path. 17 path right here. If you look at the pullback, it's testing currently. It's path spread is fine, but when it picks up, it tested the pre-market low right now and the high is breaking through. If it holds this line right here, there it is, 17. We got 20 seconds, right? Path isn't that bad. Path, I'm looking at path rate for Feb 20th. Contracts about 120. I'm gonna load these up. The $18 calls. I would go light on these. I'm good. Thank you, Cupcake. Yesterday was a good trade day. Let's make it a good trade day today again. No expectations. We just trade. For path, I'm looking at February 20th. So these guys are here. $17.40. That's not it. That's not the one thing I want. 1740 is the line. There we go. So I'm taking it as long as we clear that 1740 line on a 3-minute candle hold, okay? Let's check everything else. ES. ES is pushed. All right, Jason, looks like we can do some SPX calls later today. Or SPY. SPY swing is going to be fun. Crowd didn't give a big enough dip, but... Dude, how much is... Yeah, PAF isn't... Here, let me just set an alert for PAF so I don't forget. PAF, set alert, crossing over. I'm going to come back to PAF. We're looking at crowd. How much is crowd right now? Oh, scream at me if I left the thing on there. You, Jason, you tell me what to buy, Jason. Please. We have a flag on crowd. I'm strictly on the 3-minute chart right now. I'm just reading the Discord, see what's everybody doing. Hawk, good morning, sir. I gotta make sure I don't have any calls today either, because okay, crowd, put back. Cool. There's some pullback. 465 is my buy entry level. It might bounce off its VWAP right here, but we can try light here on crowd. Just like 1 to leave it open to buy more at 465. It's $5 difference, but the R&R is right there. I'm going to take next week. Crowd. What's the destination? We got to find our profit goal. Target 475. 475 calls. Just at $9 each. Is there? There's no earnings, right? No. We're going to target 480. That's the 113. Everything's curling up for crowd. There's plenty of room to move as well. We clear 475. There's plenty of... Okay. I'm going to take 480 for next week. They're kind of expensive, but Cupcake, you can paper trade this. Take 1. What time is it? 6:46. 6:46. Hold on. Don't buy yet. Don't buy it. Don't buy it yet. But yeah, January 16th. Do we trust ARM? Why are you asking? I hate liquid. ARM. Don't tempt me of a good time. SPY is rocketing. But yeah, January 16th, 480 calls. So the contracts are currently at 690 right now for crowd. I'm on the wrong time frame. 7. I'm going to take 1 crowd for now. $7, okay? Yep. Filled. There we go. Let me move this and we look at some charts together. But that was the buy-in. I'm going to hide the Weeble. ES 4 hour looks awesome. Okay, we're in crowd. We are in crowd. I'm going to tell the guys. Crowd. 480 calls. Okay, arm is the next move, right? Crowd. 480 calls. January 16th. Okay, if you're working along for me on this one, Cupcake, I'm gonna buy more if it gives us a pullback to 465. 465, even 462, I'll buy more. That's the zone rate. And I would definitely cut. And it's gonna be a stinger. Definitely a stinger. Because the premium is pretty juice right now. If it pulls back under 445 on a daily candle, just get the fuck out. But it's gonna be a kind of big loss because we're chasing premiums right here. Arm looks really good. My next target is arm. So we got crowd already. Arm, let's take a arm just did a move. I mean, yeah, we're up 15% on the crowd strike if you got in. So watch crowd strike all day today, guys. Okay, arm. The first thing I look at arms stock chart, I see this channel on the 4 hours. 121 is the target. You know what? I like this look. If we can get a slight pullback on arm, here it is, 3 minutes. Pullback. Initial move, 113. If you get a pullback on the 115.82, this area, I'm just gonna mark it here. Where the fuck is my line? There it is. Let's say 116. Good morning, Jane. How are you? If it pulls back to 116, even better. Which is look at what it's doing right now. This is a view up. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go for that channel break for this move. Let's see at what are we buying? What are we buying? I got okay. So at 10 a.m. we're gonna get data. I have the news in the background, so I'm trying to listen to the news at the same time. Yeah, we have data coming up at 10 a.m., which is in 9 minutes, so be careful. Let's see what it does as well for this move. But here's some arm pullback. Arm is a tricky trade. It's always been a tricky trade. What's up, Lewis? Legacy? How you doing, Tony? Okay, we're in crowd. We're good with crowd. Path doesn't look good right now because it's way below. I already set an alert for that. So we keep arm on screen. Someone yelled Lily already. Lily is one of my favorite names. 1100. There we go. PK, how are you? PK, how are you? Yep. Lily was one of my favorite trades. I had the orange line level break. And I don't know why I didn't enter that. Dumb. I had an alert too. Nice. See? I can't do everything at once. God damn it. Yeah, we missed this one. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Cupcake crowd is at 20%. So if you were day trading and trimming, yeah, take some money right now. Those are 20%. Thank you, Jason. That's how we do, Jason. Just laser focus. All right, arm. I'm debating on arm right now. Which strike I want to take. This is strike I want to see right here, 123. I want to see it take this level right here, 123. But can it take it before? Can it take it at the end of the month? Or, you know what? Do end of month, January, 117. Actually, the fucking volume sucks. Is there volume 23rd? It's way too far out there. I don't want to pick up. Actually, we can. 130 calls for ARM for February 20th. ARM, there it is. 130 calls, Feb 20th. Good. So this guy I took ARM, 130 calls, Feb 20th. Give it time. There we go. We're good with that one. So we did. Oh, nice. So we got ARM and Path so far and Crowd so far. I'm gonna move this shit out the way because we don't need to look at that. You guys are already in it. But yeah, I will add more at 465, 462 zone. What's the move? Hey, so we got. And good morning, Northam. Good morning till next time. So we picked up Crowd. We bought the 480 calls for January 16th. Average was $7, and it popped up 20% already. So yeah, it went up to like $840, I think. So that's a quick 20. I just picked up ARM right here. Let me show you this screen quickly. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. You're chilling. But yeah, those two on the bottom. Crowd 480 calls, January 16th, and ARM 130 calls, February 20th. What up, Brody? What up, Brody? Brody, did you catch the NQ or ES push this morning? Tell me you did, my guy. Who are you talking about? Are you talking about ARM or Crowd? Oh, got off an edge. My bad. Oh, you're talking about the freaking the score, right? Right there. Can you see it better? Yeah, the screen that they have on their thing doesn't match up with the iPhone screen because it's skinnier. Oh, dude, feel better, man. God dang. Everybody getting sick this season, huh? Vino, now you're on here. What's up, John Ags? How are you? Hey, you're all gonna press that share screen. Just share this stream. We're gonna get everyone to learn. They're gonna learn today, and hopefully we can catch the SPX move, right? Yeah, I never have. I should have just looked on my iPhone, tested out the screen too. But yeah. All right, let's go in the room and see what they're doing. So nothing crazy. Like in the morning, I just look for like 3-4 tickers and see which one looks good. Lily, we're not gonna jump in Lily because we missed that move. And Lily tickers are expensive. Yeah. I love Lily. The guys know I love Lily. It's my moneymaker. Hey Vino, you see this? Lily chart? I know you see it, Vino. I know you see the orange line, Vino. Off that 4-hour banger. Who doesn't see the orange line? Who doesn't see the orange line? I'll I'll go toe to toe with any traders on TikTok for a 1 day like challenge, 5 trades. Hey John Alex, how are you, man? Thanks for the follow. I'll go toe to toe with anyone on TikTok for like a 5 trade challenge. Yeah, let's just chill. Wednesday news about 2 minutes up. I know Vino, dude. Our dude, CC's working on with the guys in SPX with the gamma as well to incorporate your gamma data, hopefully your gamma system with our fib system. That's a good trade, man. I wanted to jump in with you. Fucking, we got too excited and like sidetracked yesterday with SPX and everything else. I think we hit. Did we hit 100% yesterday on all of our trades? I didn't even take that much. All right, we can't take Lily right now because we're at a breakout level. But for Funzy, Cupcake, if you want like day trade, a paper trade for Funzy, just see how much this Lily premium can run. But I wouldn't buy right here. So if you were to take this Lily move, let's put up to 30 minutes. Jesus Christ. There it is. So it'll be the first 30 minutes of the day. That would be this candle, most likely. So I would fib this, right? So we open. And you would fib this. Here it is. So 60 seconds in, right? Bam. So you fib this. If you can get Lily back here, here's one entry level. The safest entry level would be here. This is your golden zone, the second line. Let me draw this again. I think we got good news, right? Oh, let me zoom out and see ES and NQ. ES. Path is trash, so we're not touching path right now. Okay, we got bad data. Any good? No, bad data. Bad data. ARM is good. Crowd is good. Is it affecting NQ? You guys want to do a quick SPX trade? Yes. I gotta check yes. Financial is selling off, okay, guys? Financial is selling off. So keep an eye on financial. Later, Notham. Catch you later, man. QAS, thanks for the follow. Thank you. I would buy SPX right now, right here. It'll be a very quick scalp. Like, you got to be very fast for this bounce. But it's way too damn early. I'm not going to touch this shit at all. Okay, crowd, we're good at 23%. It's holding well after this data news, which is not really affecting them. Lily doesn't get affected by anything or anyone. I'm going to keep Lily on my chart, on my Weeble screen, to see if we can like get something later on a pullback. I doubt it, because if it can hold the next 15 minutes on Lily, if it gives us a bull flag on Lily, if it does something like that, which it might, if it does something like that for me and it pulls back to like 1095, I'll try it long. I'll take calls for this one. That move right there. So Lily, pull back to pull back 110.97. Say 10.97 or 6.7. Yeah, ish. Flaggy ish. The thing is so this trade's gonna be expensive no matter what. My risk would be for my risk. Remember that my risk. Would be under 1070. For some, that's gonna burn a lot. For me, that's my risk. I have a buffer to play that risk, so I'm good. Good morning, Mike. Yeah, man. We get a good crowd pullback. I'll buy more. I'm down. Lily doesn't pull back. It's gone. It's gonna be a ripper. Keep an eye out for Lily and that rip. USO is bottom of channel. This is a disappointment trade. I was hoping that it held the 113, but it's below the 113. Bum, 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 it up. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, we good. All right, how you guys doing? Anything good? Bro, you can just stay at home all day and just like play games or something. Are you a gamer or what? Ionic. This is gonna break the channel. It's gonna drop even more. So dud. Ionic. Did I see crowd do a flag? Looks like a bear flag right here on crowd. So yeah, might be a pullback here. Go long. That's crowd. I know. I took Vinyl. I took a Q. I took NQ this morning on Futes. I think Jason was in the room. Yeah, I just locked out my profit at 1,300 each account. So I'm good for the day for futures. Huge win. Huge win. C Trader. Who's C Trader? Someone just apply for our Discord. Newsroom. Vinyl. It's fighting not to pull back. We know it's strong as fuck then. It's fighting not to pull back. Absolutely. I want to pull liquid, say RGTI. Keep us updated with any crazy spike on any charts you see. Maybe we'll do like a SPX end of day again. Yeah, that'll be fun, huh? We'll do that. So okay. I think so too. Wednesday, yeah, because like we got a good move yesterday. Everything did pretty good. Now we got to look for the low names. This is when Liquid and his scans comes in really well. So we got to pay attention to his scanner. I need a voice typing bot. Is there like a bot where it listens and then just type it out for us in Discord fast? Faster than me? Oh, is that music loud, Vino? I can't even tell if it's loud or not. Because Brody was complaining yesterday it was loud. Then I turned it down. I can't hear a damn thing in my side now. We'll do a test, okay? I'm going to do a test. Hold on. All right, I'm going to push this mixer up and tell me if it gets too loud for you guys, okay? There, I stopped. Did it move at all? Did the volume of the music move? There, I stopped. Did it move at all? Did the volume of the music move? That's interesting. Same? All right, cool. So that controls my ears? Then what the fuck controls the sound going out? Okay, I'm gonna try something else. Okay, there's a different knob. What a Ravi. I just turned it up like 1%. Is it louder? Okay, I'm turning a knob up. Just check the volume. Do you guys hear the music going up at all? Or volume overall? Nothing? Nothing? Music still low? Okay, I don't know then. Busy business cat. Thanks for the follow. Thanks, Ravi. Jason, here's the pullback on crowd. Yep. We're staring at the same thing. And then here is Lily is gonna follow that channel, that little flaggy thing I drew. RGTI and Ionic is the next move on my look. Thank you, Liquid. Let's see if we can get some good. Ionic. There it is. There's that little move. It's moving about us. Okay, let's look for Ionic. Ionic and RGTI looks the same. Am I missing any other notes in chat? Keep me updated, Vino, on that call out for IWM. Hey, Vino, for your ideas and call out, you can actually type in call outs and idea channels now. You're one of the Shisho traders, so you got that ability. So throw it in there if you see it. Jason, it's fighting this channel, Jason. It's fighting that channel. Thanks, Robbie. My voice sounds good. It's like sultry. I was going for like, you know, the non-Asian sound of my voice. I got a robot voice up in here too. Where is it? Can I press it? I want to work. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try this thing for fun.
Hey Robbie, did my voice change at all? Jason, I know how to feel, Jason. You're fighting for this right now. You're fighting this move right now. Alright, looks like Lily is gonna follow my path. And then this bitch is following this path. This is a good launch off for Ionic and RGTI. I am gonna look for, let's look for, Ionic is a slower mover, but energy, solar, all that, those tickers can move pretty fast. They've been on an uptrend for them. I'm gonna look for February 20th for Ionic. Already did those look. Let's do a research quickly on this name, Ionic. 4 hours. So 4 hours is bouncing off the orange line to 113. We got the 200 EMA as resistance right here, and also that is the 200 SMA coming down. This crossover, the 200 EMA and the 200 SMA, when it crosses over, it should give us a nice little pressure push. PayPal, I got you, Dryden. How you doing, Dryden? PayPal. Shit. Are you in anything right now in PayPal? Oh shit, was fake. Oh shit. It looks kind of bad off that rejection. Okay, cool. You're looking to enter, right? Zoom out, brother. Are you day trading? Are you just trying to scalp today? Or are you trying to like... For a day trade? Got you. Okay, let me do a daily first so I know exactly the daily levels. Daily key hold, it's got to hold this level, right? 58, let's say 58. And then previous day, I'm just gonna do this. That was the last impulse, let's do this move. So I know exactly what we can possibly help you out with. Here's your fib. It's coming down to the golden zone. If you want to scalp, scalp now. For a day trade. Actually, you know what? I would take some with you after I buy my Ionic. I am picking, hold on, guys. Ionic, February 20th. I'm looking at the, shit. Tristan, you're up way too early. Go back to bed, babe. Hold on. Do a double chart because I need to get Ionic. It's okay, baby. Go back to bed. It's okay, baby. Crowd armory and get rid of that. Ionic, I mean PayPal, I would take a trade right now with you. But for like next week or 2 weeks out. If it's a big move, take it. But this level gotta hold 58 area. Below 58, don't even look at it. Cool? RGTI cleared the 113 already, Vino. I'm switching over to RGTI. RGTI, I'm gonna look for this move. It's gonna be a little bit faster. It's already over 16. I'm gonna look at January 16th. It'd be a faster trade at the $26 calls. I'm taking those. RGTI. 26 calls. Jan 16. Let's go back to PayPal. So guys, for TikTok, anyone, I'm playing off this launch. So if this level holds 25, 45, 50, let's say $25 hold, just keep it long. I did text. RGTI, what is it? $26 calls, Jan 16th. There. So you guys can like paper trade along with me. Let's go big PayPal. PayPal is pulling back. I'm telling you, under 58, don't even touch it, man. Got you, Dryden. Hey, if this trade plays out, can I get a follow from you? Deal? Deal. Golden Zone getting smacked up on PayPal, dude. Ionic is doing something like this, but it's kind of gross. There it is, crowd. Jason, crowd. We got our pullback. Lily is give me bull flag action. I will answer at 1100. You know what? I will answer Lily at 1100. It's gonna be an expensive contract, so FYI. Let's pull PayPal. 58 is the limit for me. So I'm gonna cut PayPal under 58, Dryden. So if PayPal dies under 58, get the fuck out. For a move like PayPal, for a name like PayPal, I would get contracts that's gonna be a month out. I'm gonna pick up like 2 contracts at the $60 cost of PayPal at this level. Yeah, I'll play a small one right here. I'm not even gonna post it up on my Discord, so because it's a tricky name. Here's a pullback in crowd. Oh yeah. Yeah, my average fill for PayPal is 280 each, right? Dryden, I'm with you. Cupcake, if you see this trade, the PayPal one, look at the chart, see why I'm like iffy about it, but it's in the golden zone. What is it? PayPal. 60 calls. Feb 20th. And we'll buy them with time too. We're close to the money, like 1 strike out. Yeah. That's the move for that guy. And that's about it. We chill. One second, guys. Uber, thanks for the follow. Appreciate that. I need to change this detail. Save. Okay, cool. Back to you guys. Any other questions, any charts I can help you out with? But yeah, I took this PayPal move with you, Dryden, if you're still here. If this trade plays out, I'm gonna need like 1,000 likes on here. It's tricky. RGTI and Ionic should probably be back at level here for a pre-market orb test. This guy right here. Boom, ba-dum, bum, bum. If everything is kind of slowing down on my end. We did pretty good this morning. That's so nasty. Jesus Christ, look at Lord. Lord. Jason VWAP. Oh, is it on?
Shit, I'm sorry. I left it on the whole time. Brody. Oh my god, Ravi, the fuck? I was trying to test it out, Ravi. I left it on the whole time and no one told me? God damn it. Did I sound like a kid? Brody. Dude. I thought it was like I thought I would, when I let go, it'll just turn off. It's one of those things. God, this whole fucking time, you guys didn't tell me I had a voice changer on. That is my voice for Orange Theory Fitness, dude. I changed my voice, that deep, like, you know, that serial killer. Like, what's up?
I have to listen. I can't hear his voice right now, so I gotta listen back to the video later. It sounds like a killer, huh? Like one of those Pornhub audition. What's up, ladies? How you doing? Gentlemen, how you doing?
Dude, my voice is messed up, right? I turned it off. God damn it, Ravi. I was trying to test it out for Ravi and I just fucking left it on. Damn it. It's gonna be hilarious watching back. What are you talking about? That's fucking funny. Sorry, Cupcake. Cupcake's like, am I in the wrong room? What? Don't do it, PayPal. You little bitch. See, look, that's why you buy time with PayPal. This ain't such a bitch move. This Dryden, you got balls trading PayPal, man. There are so many other names out there, but you pick PayPal to trade. And I pick PayPal to go with you. Wild. You love that voice, bro. I should talk to ladies like that. I need a voice changer in my life. Like, we all should have a voice changer box or something. Just change it anytime. Ravi, you waiting for Lily to pull back to 1084? That shit is not pulling back to 1084, brother. 1100 hold right here. I'm balls out for Lily. Literally for my wife. That's her name. So balls out for Lily. I will cut that PayPal trade if it's under $58. Dryden, you should too if you day trade that crap. Just wasted my percentage win rate. Oh, my voice is off, right? Okay, cool. Are you Lily or a crowd? You got the crowd, Jason? Bro, this is a trade you would do, PayPal. You give me this name. I would hate you for it. All right, let's see what you guys are talking about in here. You maniacs. Hold on, let's check Sexy Flow first. We always get those MSTRs. Degenerate plays right here. Always. Where's MSTR at, to be honest with you? Here, this is a good buy for crowd. This pullback. I'm already in it, so we're just gonna ride it now. Yep. Crowd is good. Crowd is good. MSTR. Liquid. Are we doing MSTR or what? I bet you MSTR is gonna do the same move over and over. Yep, it's doing that stupid shit move again. 113 smack, 113 smack, 113 smacked. Do or die line is at 156. Under 156, you're gonna lose money. You can short it. I wouldn't short it here though. It's gotta hold 160 for MSTR. MSTR is like Tesla traders. Dude, I gotta watch this thing again. Jennifer, thanks for the follow. I gotta watch this again. It's gonna be hilarious when I watch back. Make sure my voice is off. Dude, imagine like I was in a meeting with that voice changer. They're gonna be like, Tree, what the fuck are you doing in your free time? I'm talking to a bunch of traders online with that voice. A bunch of guys, actually. Mostly guys. That's the fun part. That's the fun part. I don't see anything else. You guys see anything else? It's like everything slowed down at 10 o'clock. Like after data, it's just like we're chilling now. Trash chasers, you're back. Hey, what's up? How are you? Brody, you are not doing a good job today. I know you have a fever, but I got 179 likes so far. We did 10,000 likes yesterday in like 30 minutes. You lying. Y'all lying. Silver. All right. Do some search. We got a golden sweep on silver, SLV. SLV. Of course, gold and silver is the nutty part right now. Bullseye. Bro, just go to sleep. Wait, borrow your sister the thumb tapper. Done. That's my alarm. Dude, it feels so much slower today. Trades. Yeah, I don't see anything in flow either. Liquid, you got anything good for us? Liquid, sir? Oh, got you. I'm telling my toddlers to like pick up the other phone and go on the iPad and be like, hey, can you just tap your screen for the next hour or else you're not getting any snacks today. They would definitely do it. I'm like, this is a game. Who's gonna tap the most? Trash. Hey, Trash. How are you, man? All right, get this off the screen. MSCR is trash. Literally, crowd is the moneymaker. So guys, if you are looking at crowd, there's a confluence here with all of the EMAs. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them. We got the 50 EMA and the 50 SMA. We're coming up to a node, volume node shelf. If we clear 476 and hold it, we're Gucci. That's what that's what my boy would say. And we definitely clear 48. We got room to move. Like, that'll be juiced. I am looking to enter Lily. Hold on, let me talk to Liquid first. Liquid, can you hear me? I know you hear me. Lily, time. So Lily time. But yeah, speaking of crowd, for my chart readers, technical readers, and just trying to learn. I'm on a daily. Draw some lines. What up, Supa? What's up, brother? Hey, I do have. Wait, you screamed at app this morning, and then app did a little nice pullback, and then I forgot about it. But how's app looking? Better, right? Holding. Let's just blow up. 4 hours. Super. App is hell expensive, Super. I don't know why you're looking at his name. Like, are you rich and you're not telling me? These contracts are fucking ridiculously expensive, dude. Yeah. I'm your father. I'm not your father. Your dad's rich. Yeah, dude, that's not an accident. Don't ever say you. That was all you. That was skills. All skills. Here, you guys can take an app if you guys want on a daily. We need it to hold this level. Super. You need it to hold this level. But if you really want, I want it to like, keep following this channel down. And then we are going to take app at 587 level, 588. And the sure buy is off that orange line. So just saying, just keep an eye on that orange line. Yeah, I'm too poor for like 2 weeks out. Like good. RGTI, yep, off the pre-market orb. Good call out for that one, Liquid. I am Brody. Just hold on to your QQQ NQ, or just do another futures long here on NQ, okay? Get that off my face. Okay, let's look at NQ for my fute trader. Just switch it over my fute chart. I already locked that, right? Did I lock out? Do not want to show you guys my account on that one. Trady sync. Trady syncer. I can make a little more today. Let's make more today. Trade, buy, set limit here. This is how I enter. So NQ, I don't have a levels in here. Where's my fib? Is that it? Yep, that's it. Yesterday, 2 a.m., 6 a.m. right here. Closed here. Okay. Really off. Let's do fib this morning. Let's fib the last hour, the last 4 hours. That level. Dude, I need a pullback entry level. Sorry guys, there's a shitload of lines right here for you guys to look at. I'm trying to look for the best entry for NQ right now. We can try this entry. Take profit, be fast. Stop loss will be under previous candle. I'm gonna set a long entry for NQ 877.25, Brody. Liquid, you ready for long right now for Lily? Should we do it? Yeah, dude, Top Step, like Project X, you have to remember to change it on the chart and the freaking thing and the DOM. I've done that so many times, dude, where like I would buy it and it doesn't show up my chart. I'm like, my portfolio is moving. I don't see it on the chart. Win-win, I guess. Scary sometimes when you don't know where it is. PLTR. All right, PLTR liquid. Fuck liquid. Yeah, it looks great, dude. We're off by 60 cents. I way cheaper than Lily, but I'm looking at wait, liquid Lily for next week. Vinyl, do you see any gamma for Lily for next week? Like, what's the next pull? I have so many like tools here. We have so many tools in our Discord. It's not like everyone is a master or something, which is fucking awesome. You need a banger? Okay, hold on. You need a banger. I got you, bro. Can I fucking get in a trade first? Hold on. Literally pulls and goes without us. I'm gonna be very mad. Okay, realistically, we want to target 10, 11, 20, right? So we can take 11, 20 calls. They're like $18 each, liquid. That's like my portfolio. 1140 to the next one after that. Holy fucking shit, they're expensive. This is gonna be day trade then. Oh, Brody, I set my NQ limit buy at 877.25. If it doesn't hit, then it doesn't hit. If it hits, it hits. What the? And I got stop loss right away. Something happened in the news. Hey, do we have news? We have news, don't we? Hold up, guys. Hold the fuck up. Yeah, Brody, good thing you didn't answer that one, right? Do we have news? Does Walter say anything? I don't see anything. What a bitch move. Give my money back, NQ. That was retarded. Or pie. Target that again. I'm going to target. There's no way that just dropped that fast for no reason. I'm not going to have a stop loss, Brody, but don't follow me on this one. Entry 846. This is orb high. That was terrible. Now I'm kind of mad. Let me talk to doctor. That just smacked me. Thank you, Ravi. China government asked tech firms to halt NVIDIA H200 chip orders. Officials may mandate domestic AI chip purchases from NVIDIA orders. That's a lie. They need NVIDIA. Liquid, tell me when to buy Lily. I have it on my screen, but bitch is very expensive. I'd rather just go PLTR with you. With Gold the Juice. That's a good name. PLTR day looks great. Like really good. 4 hours looks great. Hey, okay, I'm gonna join PLTR review, Liquid. Sorry for that cough. Thank you, Vinyl. If we can pull back to 180 and hold, I'll buy like a boat on PLTR. Cupcake. I love it. You're still in here listening quietly. I love it. PLTR. Let's look for some dates. Got you, Cupcake. Doing some shopping right now. Hold on. We can do next week. It's not bad at all, actually. Let's do next week. And let's target. Let's go look at the 4 hours. Let's remove any dumb drawings from the past. 4 hour last impulse. Something just bought. That was my NQ entry, wasn't it? NQ entry is in. No stop loss. Limit sale top 899. And PLTR. I'm gonna target 185. Let's look at. I am going to load up. We can do 185 calls for January 16th. 185 calls for January 16th. Liquid, what do you think? PLTR? Liquid, are you listening? What? Why did you send? DJ Dirty E. That's a good DJ name. Yeah, Cupcake. I would take this one in. Since Liquid doesn't want to answer me. But based on my chart and readings, I would take that. Actually, I will take that right now. They're 345 each. Am I buying the right contract? Yep. PLT at 185 calls, January 16th. I'm in. Let's go, DJ Dirty E. Thanks for the follow, brother. I got a DJ voice too. My soundboard thingy. UEC. UEC. Where am I typing this? Did I type it in the wrong place? I did type it in the wrong place. Okay, we're in with that one. We're good. We're good. Everything looks good right now. NQ should look better for me. There we go. There's my NQ trade so far. I should set a stop just in case here. Because I don't want China to do another stupid ass tweet. And just fucks up my vibe. See, I would look. I know my trades. I know my levels. One tweet. Motherfucker. Liquid. PLTR. Making a move. Is making a move. I am calling my calls out on TikTok before I give him my Discord, which is bad. Sorry, guys. Good for TikTok. Great for TikTok, actually. Bro, you listening to me? You are listening to me. Hey, I got the 185 calls. PLTR, January 16th. You got in, didn't you? You said, did you get in? I can't find your text anywhere. Are we taking UE? Okay. Vinyl, Titan, you're in. UEC. You guys should move your stop loss up for that NQ trail. I'm at 680, but I want all my money back. So there is my futures trade of the day for you guys. Actually, twice already. I did one at opening and one right now. Yeah. Money. No one does it better than the 113, to be honest with you guys. If you guys aren't in 113, I don't know what. UEC Feb 16. $16 calls. Feb. That means February 20th. $16 calls. USD. I'm gonna trail Titan on this trade too. They're $1 each. Why not? I'm trailing you guys. Titan. Yeah, for funzy, I'm in with you guys on this one. I'm taking this call with my team right here. UEC $16 calls, February 20th. They're 101 each. Done. All right, Brody, take your money. Even more if you got more. But yeah, I just made that $200 back plus 7, so we're good. There we go, folks. That is my futures and Q trade of the day. Times 2. You heard another group that doesn't use any indicator at all? I know, Robbie. They suck. A bunch of bots. And target hit. I'm out. See? The original one that like got stopped. Dumb. No point, but I made that $1,000 back. Thanks for the pullback, everyone. Thanks, China. Appreciate you. But Cupcake, this is the other one that we just took. I just took. Well, the team just took. And okay, we're good. UEC. So uranium. Yeah, that's it. Really, I got nothing else to trade. What time is it? It's even. Is it not even 8 o'clock yet? And we got like 5 bangers. Wrong. We have this guy. This guy. That is. I'm not doing Lily. It's way too expensive. I'm not spending Lily money. This is a 3% loss right now. But it's exactly where we are looking for that bounce. We're hoping for that bounce. If Dryden is in here to learn, I will cut this under 58. So technically this is like not my trade, but I took it. So actually we were like 100% today. Yeah, we're good. This is good. Hey, the firm trade that came in, they're up at 72%. So I bought them for $29 each, and they're at $50 right now. So I think we're flying on a firm. Bro, Liquid, did you get a firm with me? Tell me you got a firm with me. Money Run, you're just in here chilling. It's not Money Run. What's up, Princess? How are you? Oh, let's change up this banger. I think Vina's gonna like this music. Oh, you sold a firm? UPST. Oh yeah, you brought that name up too. All of our names are good today. Yeah, this is like Sinks. What's up, Sinkin? How are you? Is this my full-time job? No, this is part-time. I do this for fun. This is side income. But we make pretty good money from the side income. Enough to buy food. Ramen, cup noodles. Sometimes Wagyu with ramen. No, I have a full-time job too. So most of our traders are like full-time workers. And then they do this for, you know, a side income. Yeah, man. You know why I have a full-time job? My corporate job? You know why? Health insurance. Health insurance, and they match. They match my, what is it? What do you call it? A 401k, whatever bullshit? Yeah, they match it. Yeah. I think it rained last night. This morning. Maybe. Just a little bit. That's why it's wet. It's louder? Shut the I didn't even turn it up. Is it way better? A lot lower? Sorry, guys. I am sorry. I apologize for the music changing tone. Way better? Bro, you got some sensitive ass ears, bro. You. God, I hate that name, Liquid. All right, Liquid's, I mean, not Liquid. PayPal's gonna take a dump. See, I should not follow that. That's why you don't follow, like, a dude that randomly pops in here, asks for a PayPal chart, and bounces. Like, why? Why? I will only follow people that actually. Oh, almost dropped it, baby. Yeah? Yeah, that's my breakfast. It's my banana. I want to eat a banana a day. Hey, Sinkin, do you trade full time? Sinkins. It looks yellow to me. You, sorry. You is here. This is your favorite ticker. Liquid. I'm looking at your scan right now. Scan is pretty sexy though. Buddy, can you? Shit, I made way too much money again today on those NQ trades. Son of a. I have to lose. It sounds crazy, but I have to lose. Shit, 500, right? I need to lose 500 on 3 accounts. Again, we're doing this again, Brody. I have to lose $500 per account on purpose. Oh my god, so dumb. John Alex, you're back. What's up, John Alex? Crybaby, B. Peter Joseph, how are you guys? Hey, if I give you guys a good trade, can you guys reshare this live? Oh, this is Tristan, everybody. He's learning piano soon. Actually, he's starting like now. Right? Are you learning piano now? Yeah. Are you excited? Look, Uncle Liquid say, "What's up?" Why do you have to lose? I have to lose because I started new evals. I'm adding evals, right? I was gonna put 2,000. We got you. Hold on. We got like bunch of geniuses to help you out. Crybaby, I got you. Put 2K on 2,000 on Amazon, like right now. Like, are you talking about like shares, like commons, or you buying options worth 2K? Because if you're getting it now, I would wait for a pullback, brother. Call options. Oh wait, don't buy it now. Don't buy it now. Do not buy it now. It's making a move. And premium's juice. I hear Hunter little footsteps. What's up, buddy? The boys are up, everyone. Oh, 8 o'clock, see, right on that. Okay, I got you. Hey, can you be careful, please? I got a drink over there. Call options. I would wait for that guy to pull back. Here, I'm draw lines for you, okay? If you can get a pullback to 240. Do we have option flow? Vino, you hear me? What does Amazon look like on the Gex? I'm gonna pull up some flow for you. See if there's any flow for you, Crybaby. If I can work this trade out for you, I'm getting a follow from you, and you're gonna give me like 10 followers, right? I'm waiting for my paycheck, but I called it going up when it was 220. Yeah, man. A lot of us guys caught Amazon easily. Thanks for the follow, brother. Yeah, they caught Amazon well. I jumped in Amazon like twice. I know it drizzled last night. Huh? Yeah. Okay, let me do some Amazon search. Today we have Amazon multi-leg. That means they're they're doing spreads, verticals. It's gonna get pinned. Had some fat calls coming in yesterday. For next month, 250 calls came in yesterday at 10:35 a.m. So closer to midday. Yeah, end of day, almost end of day. Yeah, Amazon. So that guy's rich as fuck right now because he made a lot of money off that Amazon, those contracts. Wait for a pullback, dude. Like I wouldn't jump. We wouldn't jump in right now. Yeah, that dude made a lot of money on that, his contracts yesterday. He bought it at 10 a.m. So my 10 a.m. would be here. He bought it here. He bought the 250 calls. Wait, that's not yesterday. Here, he bought it like here. He bought it when it was 235. He put 2 mil down. Yeah, that dude is rich as fuck. Yeah, let me give you a fib. So the last impulse move was this huge leg, right? So I like to fib the last impulse move on a 4-hour candle, which is this guy right here. Hopefully you guys can see that better. This line. Now, if you get a pullback to 243, I wouldn't. I could go light. I wouldn't spend the whole $2,000 on this level, but if you can get back to 240, and it's gotta hold this candle, right? So 240 hold, and I would say on a 30-minute candle, to be extra safe, I would say 1-hour candle above 240, go long. We're talking about Amazon right by now. Yeah. See, Crybaby, you got a lot of brains in here because they're all in the Discord. We're all on live and in this TikTok and in Discord. They just don't hear my voice talk because I can't type and answer everything at once. Yeah, the 4-hour looks nice. See that yeah, it ripped off the 113 line yesterday. Damn it, we missed that call. Who bought Amazon yesterday? Liquid, I know you. Did your ass get Amazon? What a move. But yeah, Crybaby, read that, bro. That is your play of the day. You gotta wait. Don't buy it now. Under 244. Here, I'll give you no entry. If you want to do it like 2 separate like scenario, right? If 244 holds after this hour, you can go long, like a light buy, like $500 worth. But are you doing like 2 weeks out, 1 week out? What are you doing? Pratik, you were taking Tesla? Oh, brother. Don't say that name out loud. All right, let me do some research on Tesla. Or let me read the chat. Crybaby 244 holds. I would personally hold it on a 1-hour candle to go long. If it's under that, just wait for a bigger pullback. Like, I'm a discount cheap kind of guy, kind of pullback. 240 be a good buy. Between 240 and 242, go long. Under 240, cut. There you go. Hold. Amazon. Hold. 244 hour candle. Long. Pull back. 242. Long. Cut under 240 daily. There you go. Those are your notes. Keep it. Screenshot that baby. We got plenty of time earnings. Yeah, you can play. Yeah, earning run up. I like it. How much are Amazon tickers right now? Contracts. I want to check for the February 20th. Amazon's making a push right now on you. It's holding at 240 level, 244. Brody, another NQ trade. Give me a second. What's the doctor and Gator doing? Yeah, they're out in the longs right now. Wait for a pullback, Brody. 8:03 a.m. Dude, Amazon contracts 1,000 each for the 250 calls for Feb. Nice. Pullback, brother. All stocks come back. It all comes back down. That's the strategy we do in here. We don't chase anything. We just wait for a pullback. Nothing goes up forever. The chart is nice though. We missed this entry right here and off the 4-hour 113 bounce. Another entry it gave was off the 200 SMA bounce. The dotted line is a 200 SMA. The orange line is a 113. It's a good chart. It's a great looking chart. Bummer we missed it on. Bummer I missed it. Yeah, man. I got you. Anything else you guys want to pull up before I gotta get out of here? I told myself like every day stream ends by 8:15. 8:30 latest. It's a soft closing line. Soft. I do this for work? No, I do this for fun, man. I just do this for fun with the guys and make money. Top step is BS. You need to not do top step. Well, actually, they do like top. I know. Why? Why are you mad about the sun coming out? You want to be rainy and cloudy all day? That's disgusting. Silly boy. George. What's up, brother? How are you, man? Are you going by George or Jorge? Because that spelling goes both ways, you know? Yeah, Top Step. I am. Anyone else? You still using Top Step in our group? I'm with Tradify and my futures funded. What's it called? My I don't know. My funded futures or something like that. And I do everything off of TradingView. I don't do Project X anymore. I hate Project X. Yeah, we're good. Jason, you just chilling in here all day, dog. Thank you so much. I got my Vietnamese bro in here. Gotcha, Jorge. Nice meeting you, man. Do I do this all day long? No. But in the morning, yeah, we trade at the opening. I'm on live from opening until like now-ish. I'll try to come back on at 11:30, 12 o'clock noon, right before closing. 90 minutes. Close at closing, so we can try to catch an SPX or something last day play. But yeah, I do. I have a regular job, my corporate job right now. I'm remote. I'm a video producer. I just manage people, read emails. Jalen, come on, bro. Bullish or bearish on what though? Which name? Overall, I have no idea. I just trade what I see. Anybody ask me how I trade? I'm like, I trade the charts. I look for my lines and I just traded. They slap. So it's working. Not changing that strategy up ever. I'm looking at NASDAQ right now. Well, the market's bullish right now, so let's pull up this list. See what sector is good. Thanks for the follow, all right? Appreciate that, man. Gotta check out the watch list, see what's moving today, which sector. Coinbase, blockchain, and all that Bitcoin stuff, they're down. Industrial is down today. I expect better. If you guys have fat money in your portfolio, keep an eye on Lily. That thing can pay you really well, but it has to hold 1100 for those contracts. Semis aren't doing well today. The rest of semis, Nvidia is still holding up well. Yep, software. So we say software is going to do good this week and last week too. So software is looking good. I haven't no Cupcake, no calls right now on Lily. They're well. You're paper trading, right? You're practicing. Let's do it. Let's find a good Lily trade. Here's a pullback for you, Crybaby, right? Yeah, Amazon. Here's a 244 test. Lily. All right. Now it is under 1100. Cupcake, what would you do? I'm gonna ask you now. I'm gonna test you out. You got that paper trade money, I know, right? Just ball out, see if you can make a lot more on these. But trade like you have serious money. Like imagine reset your account to for next week. Reset your account to 5K. Like how much you would realistically trade with, and then see how well you do. All right, here's the Lily trade we're looking at. I'm gonna keep Amazon on my screen too. Amazon's on my screen. POZR. What's crowd doing? How's crowd doing? Jason, you still here? Hey, our crowd is at 52%. That dip buy was nice for you then, right? Where are you at on the crowd dip buy? Mission Mountain 406. What's up? Thanks for the follow, man. Jason, you making money in crowd? That's good. We're making money in crowd, everyone. Jason, what was your average for a crowd? I should have bought with you when it dipped some more. All right, first level I would dip buy at for Lily is this one right here at 1097, but it is under 1100. When it's under 1100, I am less optimistic on this trade. If we can get a better discount, Cupcake, wait until it gets to 1084, exactly like what Ravi said earlier. 1084 is a nice discount buy for Lily. Yeah, everyone's just chilling right now. Nice and slow. Wait, do I have to lose money on NQ? Hey, Ravi, are you still on YouTube? Bro, Liquid. How are you going to be on the YouTube live and not press the thumbs up? I hate you both. Credo. Boy, Liquid. CRDO. CRDO. Fuck. 4 hours. Liquid. Did you get in? This chart is really nice. Why don't you see this? Yeah, I am about to close out my affirmed trade. They're at 72%. Crowd is at 57%. Aaron, what's up, Aaron? Credo, CRDO. Liquid dropped it in. It's in a sexy flow. Wino. CRDO. Indicators? What indicator are you using? Mostly EMAs and Fibonacci. The EMAs, we basic EMA 200, 113, 50, stuff like that. Nothing crazy. The side, this is a volume profile. Volume on the bottom. Nothing crazy at all. What else, Champagne? I didn't see you sneaking here, man. And Jorge, thanks for a follow, brother. I don't know if I said that earlier. Which one, the bottom or the side? The side profile? Use them as shelves. Imagine that's why I have it on the side. Use them as like volume shelves or nodes. Each node will represent a bunch of buyers and sellers. If you think of it as a game, right? You want to get to the next level, the next step. So at this step, this big volume, you're gonna have more resistance because we're on the way up. Now, right now, it's holding this for. We're looking at Credo because I'm about to take this trade. Fuck, I'm too late for this. I might be too late for Credo, so we'll just do a research right here. So yeah, each shelf. Just imagine you want to get to the next shelf, or if it's coming on the down trend, you want to hold that shelf. So that's how I make it as simple as possible to use the volume profile. Shelves. Steps. Get to the next step. Hold it. Get to the next step. Hold it. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible for everyone trading. You don't have to like. What's wrong, baby? What's going on? Liquid. This is way too fast on its Credo move. Do we miss this trade? It's fine. I'm not chasing anything. How you doing, Jordy? Yeah, if you bought Crowd earlier, trim because they're at 52% on that call out. RGTI is at 13%. PLTR is at 12%. GEVC, sneaky little bitch. It's back up over $11. That's what I said this morning. If it dips, buy it. Oh, the name of it? Sorry, man. Aaron, I got you. It's type in VRVP. VRVP. Visible range volume profile. This one here. Cool. Now, Aaron, you owe me a follow. I got you. Hold on. Let me pull up the settings for you. All right, copy that. So this layout, screenshot that right now. Thanks for the follow, brother. Screenshot that and then copy that. That's your first screenshot. I'm gonna go to style so you can see. So rows layout, ticks per row, 8 total, and 100. Style, whatever color you want. The only thing I have checked is that up there, volume pro. That's it. And then whatever color, I just make mine like the opacity really low because I want to see my shit on the screen still. You're welcome, man. All right, let's see if we can find a trade for Credo because I think this is a mover already. So if we're looking at the 4-hour candle chart on Credo, we have a resistance on a 9. Let me pour RSI. Let's do a fresh. We're good on RSI. It's gonna target this level 135. So if it gets to this level 135 and it holds up 135 level after, I can do a 30-minute on this. That's totally fine. Yep. Hold 135. I'll go long. That's a nice chart. Credo's a really nice chart. Yeah, that's why we don't go at the top. We look for pullbacks to enter. On the daily, There's gonna be fat resistance right here at 138 for Credo. 138 resistance coming up on a daily. Liquid, vinyl. See that 113? Let's set an alert for 139 for a launch off the 113. I am going to set an alarm here. Liquid, you hear that one? Over 139, we'll take off. On Credo. Jason, make sure you have that level down. You can trade with us if you want. Yeah, I like that. So we'll play that 113 bounce on the daily. On the 4 hours, it already did a nice move off the shelf. We're good. We are good. All right, this 8:20. I hear the baby crying now. What's up, Sensi, CPA, and trades? How are you? Brian, how are you? How you guys doing? All my West Coast people are just waking up right now, huh? And heading to work. My West Coast folks are up. Okay, let's make some notes. CRDO. What did I say it was? CRDO, hold 135 per hour. Go long. Pull back to 132. Go long. Cut under 128 daily candle. Bye. So those are my notes. There we go. Champagne. I am trading on Weeble. Hi. I know. That's my Weeble. That looks like that. So I trade all my Yo, let me finish this. That's Weeble. And then I do all my charts on TradingView. Yep. TradingView. I love doing my charts on TradingView. Nothing beats it, man. Thank you, Vino. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for me to get off. The babies are up. The baby's crying. Everyone's awake. Boys going crazy right now. They just woke up. I don't know how boys like wake up and go crazy right away. I'm like, bro, relax, please. For the love of God. Hold on, let me do one zoom out on tickers. So you guys have notes for Credo. I already gave you guys the notes for Credo. If you guys want to join it later. Crowd, I'm already in. Amazon, Crybaby. Hope you got your notes for Amazon. Lily is pulling back. I am not gonna buy Lily because shit is expensive as fuck. What other name do you guys want to see before I head out? You guys have 5 minutes for a request. One last chart request. Sapun, how are you? Thanks for the likes, guys. One last request for a chart before I get out of here. For my non-Discord people. Because the rest of you guys can just chat in the box with me today. Spy? Got you. Don't tempt me with a good time with Spy, man. Spy and SPX? Okay, let's look at ES first. You know what? I'm going to put... Let's do ES up here. Let's do a 2-layer. Yes. Spy. God damn it. Aaron, you just want to buy the top, huh? You just want to buy the top, huh? I mean, my man is a maniac. Okay, this is my original note I had. I actually had those calls into this week, and yeah, that was good fucking money. We did crazy SPX trade yesterday. Crazy SPX trade yesterday. We took it from like 150 up to like $12, up to $17. Bunkers as fuck. And like 2 days before that, we took it over like $1,000, 1,000% SPX trade. I love SPY and SPX. No joke. You didn't join the crowd? Jason, stop playing. I thought you bought the dip right there. Oh, man. Oh, oh, the original run, right? Okay, okay. $1,600% yesterday, dude. It closed at $1,700 each, right? Rolio following me. Love that. Shit, everyone's just joining right now. I need to stay on stream until like 9 from now on or something and help you guys out before lunchtime. Or SPX went 1,600% yesterday, Vino. You did get 100%. I got more than 100%. I trimmed that 300, or I trimmed that 200, 300, and the last one I took out 1,500. Yeah, 15. No more ramen for me this week. My wife's gonna let me eat good then. No more ramen for the babies. All right, Aaron, if you want to do a SPY trade, you should go to our Discord and hang out with us then, because SPY is very tricky and it's fast. So whatever I tell you now might change completely later. Let's blow this up. SPY. Vinyl, you see anything SPY Gex today in Gamma? Where's the pin? It's gonna be pinned somewhere. I'm assuming that's the level to pin at 692. That's on the 4 hours. Now, yeah, SPY's gonna pull back for sure. What do you recommend me trading if I'm just starting with low at capital 200? I would recommend, can you save up at least $2,000? Realistically, I'm just gonna be honest with you. Can you save up at least $2,000? Because it's very, hell yes, Steph, we're going higher, but we gotta wait for a pullback first. Nifty for only futures. I can't tell you that, man. That's my secret sauce. You gotta come hang out with us in Discord to find an answer. That's our secret sauce line. SPY will pull back. It will go higher, but I'm expecting it'll pull back. So right now, if you guys want to like, hey, market's pushing up, let's get calls. No, don't get calls. You're gonna get spanked. Wait for a fucking pullback. Let's do. Let's get rid of that. Baby's crying. Oh shit, you too? Let's get it, baby. We got a team. We got to talk then. Let's vibe on this live every day. Really? I've been using this for like 5 years. I just like told everyone, all my buddies in Discord about it like recently. Because I thought I was the crazy one. It is the orange line. It is the orange line. Whisper Trace? No idea who that is, brother. Northam, you already know, man. Oh yeah? I don't know who Whisper Trace is. But yeah, orange line. That's my do or die line. I don't care what the fuck everyone's saying. I thought I was the only one that was using it, man. That's crazy. I'm glad that other people. Well, I'm telling a lot. We're showing everyone. We're teaching them. If you want the simplest trading line, just add the 113 line, the 200 line, and just wait. Just wait. If you're a safe trader, just wait for that line. On a 4-hour candle, shit. See, 4-hour candle, 113. You can even if you day trade, you can do it on 30 minutes too. SPY, Aaron, just wait for a pullback. If you want a good safe trade, watch the 30-minute candle chart. Wait for 690 level. because this 113 is gonna curl up. And if you can look up RSI on your chart, Wayne 2 is around like 48-ish. Yeah, 48. Bring it back down a little bit on the RSI, then you're good. This is the spot where you want it. Let me draw a little circle for you. Spy. Here. Answer. Done. Nifty 4 only futures. Thanks for follow, man. Dude, we got a vibe on here. I'm on here every morning just talking and vibing people. We don't really trade. We just chill and just find stuff. Northam, yeah. Do 113 and 200 EMA, and then of course you can always add the SMA as well. Meme Queen guy, thanks for the follow. You guys all wake up hell late. This is what you guys are all West Coast, huh? This West Coast folks waking up. To the left. To my left. What screen? This screen? To the left. This one, right? Or like this left. Here, I'll just zoom in so you know exactly. Is that better? Arizona, yeah. Oh, the price? Oh yeah, shit. Sorry. Oh, that just broke everything. Oh, that just that just broke everything. There. Better? There. There it is. Better? There. Yeah, this is time I always get off, and then everybody like West Coast and on. Like at least this side of the town. Everybody's jumping on. So I gotta stay on my stream later. Eventually one day I'll just stay on my stream later, like to 9. But boys are awake. Baby's awake. I gotta go. You guys got all the good juice today. VRVP indicator. Yeah, that's the volume. Did someone just say that? For SPY, nothing right now. I was telling Aaron, if SPY pulls back to 689, 690 level or 689, I would go long there. Yeah, nothing to it really. But if you want to intraday trade SPY or SPX today, like really trade it, let's go 7 minutes. Hold on, let me see. If you want to intraday trade or scalp SPY today, here's your pre-market orb high level, 691.45. If it comes down to this level, zoom in on the 3 minutes because you're gonna trade on the 3 minutes, right? Take long here. But if you want to be extra spicy right now, Northam, you want to scalp, go to your 3 minutes. Actually, you can do 1 minute. Let me see. Yeah. Fast fingers, right? Just do 3 minutes to be safe. I don't like 1 minute to be honest with you. Take everything off your screen. Just leave the 113 line and 200 line on there. That's it. And fib it. I want you to fib the first 30-minute candle of the day. You can do. No, it's right here. No, that's wrong. Right here. Sorry, trying to find the time. Now, intraday levels for you on a 3-minute chart. Those are the levels you're gonna trade with all day long. If I'm doing this fast, here, let me just draw this fast shit for you guys. This is what I look for when I'm trading. Ask me questions later or DM me. I'm recording everything, so I'm gonna play it back if I need to and explain it better. I channel a lot, and the fib lines are my levels in my back of my head for support and resistance. When they're in this golden zone, the 2 yellow line right here, and it confluences with the 113, I'm going long. So what it did right there was at 3 minutes, it touched the 113, bottom channel as well, long. Fucking long. Crybaby, that's not you? Was that you with the appy? Someone applied earlier. I got C Trader. I don't know who trades C Trader. I add that person as a friend. So if you see me add a friend request from you guys after you apply to the Discord, you know, you should say yes to my friend request because I'm gonna talk to you first. because I always talk to everyone that wants to get in here because I don't want to bring in random people ever. Like I want good traders that wants to learn and like, you know, be respectful. Because this shit ain't free. That's you? I got you, bro. I'll add you in a little bit. Actually, let me do it in a little bit. I got like babies screaming right now. They're all going nuts. Northman, you see that? 113 line. That's it. Infinity traders probably like looking at the same and like, yeah, 113, baby. Nifty 4. Yep. Nifty 4 only futures. Dude, that's all we use, dude. All we use. The futures room, nuts too. Like, they leveled up. We used a lot of different, they combined it with a lot of different strategy, but the 113 is like the money maker. And then we got, you know, the ICT and the fair value gap movement. Like we passed evals in there like nonstop. It's fun. It's good times in there. Good times in there with the guys. But yeah, you see that, Northam? Just telling you, this is a very fast explanation. I'm sorry, but I gotta go. I would have played this line. It's also in the golden zone, so you have a confluence. So you just know. Once you know like the simple stuff, the basic stuff, like in the back of your head, if I look at this quickly, you throw me this chart quickly, I'm like, oh yeah, I'll answer orange line. There's also the VWAP confluence too, so you're bouncing off. So for me, I believe this channel is gonna keep going down. It's gonna test this level again. This is the 692 for intraday, SPX, and SPY traders. Match it up on screen. I would go long here. I would put a safe bet on here. Boys are going crazy now. See, guys, my boys are going nuts. I gotta get off, man. I can't hang out with you guys all day long. Whisper trades in here, dude. I gotta talk to you, man. How long you been using it? I thought I was the only crazy one, bro. I told the guys in the Discord, like I like the new members, my new colleagues in there. They're like, "What the fuck is the 113?" They didn't believe me at all, man. They laughed. They like one of them's like, "No, I'm not gonna use it." I'm like, "All right, cool." Then I just show them over and over and over and over. I'm like, they're like, "Oh, shit, you're not wrong." Goated. Yeah, we're not gonna keep this gated. We want everyone to know and learn. Just simple tricks in life, man. It doesn't have to be difficult for trading at all. I promise. Hey,
boys, you guys can't like go nuts on here.
Did my voice just go crazy right there? Because the kids are going nuts right now. They're pressing everything. But I gotta go, guys. I love you all. Thanks for the follow. Whisper Trades. Let's keep connected and trade together. I'm on live every day, but I gotta go. I love you all. All right, bye, guys. Britt, thanks for the follow. I gotta go. I'll talk to you.